We introduce a tasty variation to the khichdi. There are many variants of the khichdi, and we present a not-so-well-known split chickpeas lentils khichdi. This is a vegan-friendly, easy-to-cook, light dish. We hope you will enjoy it. Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are also available in other languages. This recipe is for 2 servings. If you have scaled the recipe for a different number of servings or have changed the chili levels, please use those quantities. In a pan, heat 1/3 cup of cooking oil on medium heat. Add 1 small sliced onion to the oil. Stir fry till nicely brown. Remove and put aside. In the remaining oil, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add an inch-long piece of cinnamon stick. Add 2 pieces of split black cardamom. Add 2 bay leaves. Stir fry a little. Add 1 medium chopped onion. Fry till the onion starts to change color and looks a little golden. Add 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Once the onion, garlic and ginger paste turns golden brown, add paste of 2 medium tomatoes. Fry cook till the water dries and the oil separates. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. Mix well. Add the already soaked and drained split chickpeas to the mixture. Mix well. Add a cup of water. Cover and let cook. Cook for approximately 10 minutes. Check that the lentils are tender. If not, cook for a few more minutes. Add another 2 cups of water. Add another 2 teaspoons of salt. Bring to a boil. Add the already soaked and drained 1 cup of rice. Boil the water and stir every now and then. After about 5 to 7 minutes, check that the rice is tender. Cover and let cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Garnish with the onion we put aside earlier. Cover and let cook for another 5 minutes. Check that the rice is ready to eat. If not, then cover and let cook for another few minutes. Once the rice is tender and the water dries, garnish with coriander leaves.